Hey guys, it's me, Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc. back with another ceiling fan video. And yes, we are revealing the bedroom fan. This is what's in my bedroom right now. This is a Hampton made carriage house in brushed nickel. Probably my least favorite, but you know, it looks good, at least. I would have totally gone with brass or iron, but this is all I had available, so I went ahead and worked with it. And if you guys saw the Belvedere's video, I mentioned how the light switch in here is broken. It still is, but fear not, I have made a swag kit. Yes. But anyways, the actual cord is right here, and then the extension cord that makes this longer is right there. But anyway, I think the cord looks rather nice. I mean, it's not entirely flush with the ceiling, but it looks good without a shadow, thanks to my filming light. Here's the first light setting. Turn that off. Second light setting. Third. Now I'll turn it off. And since it's way too dark, I'm gonna kick that back on. I'll start with low. So the way I made this thing work with the swag kit while mounting it on the box, basically what I did was I mounted it to the box, capped off the box wiring, and then I spliced a cord, ran it through the motor housing, and yeah, it looks like, it definitely looks like it's being powered by a box, but you would probably never notice if the cord was hidden, because I mean, it would function normally but without the light switch. First setting, second setting, third setting. Just go to medium. The middle fob is a replacement. I'll show you what the old one looked like. Just super faded. You can barely even see the logo anymore. So I replaced it with a fresh one. And this thing does wobble a bit. It's probably hard to see, but it does. Oh yeah, you can kind of see the off-balance blades. But I'm not gonna mess with them because they all have the same pitch anyway. First setting, second setting, third setting. Now let's go to high. This is surprisingly very impressive for a carriage house. Very, very good fan. And it blows a lot of air for a hugger too. First setting, second setting, third setting, off. Now we'll do a little bit of a spit down. You can see it kind of wobbled while slowing down. Yeah, there it goes. You can definitely see that. I don't know why it does. It's as tight as it could go. But, you know, these things always have some sort of wobbling. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I might be getting more fans for this house soon, so stay tuned for those videos.